Hello my dear viewers, welcome to Biryani Pot Kitchen. Today we will see how to make these delicious and healthy breakfast wraps. These are loaded with veggies and protein and will definitely help in your weight loss. For this recipe, add a teaspoon of oil to a hot pan. Then add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic. Sauté it for a minute. Then let us add 1 small onion that is chopped. Sauté it until they turn translucent. You do not have to brown it. Once onions are slightly cooked, add 1 large tomato that is roughly chopped. Mix it well for a minute. Here I am adding 1 red pepper or capsicum that is chopped. If you do not have capsicum, you can always add any vegetables that you like. And give it a good mix. Close the pan with the lid and cook it until tomatoes turn soft. The tomatoes are soft and cooked now. Next, I am adding roasted frozen corn. You can use fresh corn if you have. Let's give this a mix again. Then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of mango powder or amchur, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can increase the spice level if you like it spicy. Then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, then some salt to taste. Let's give a quick mix. Next, I am adding 1 cup of crumbled paneer. Paneer is a very good source of protein and tastes good in anything. Mix it well. As you mix, break the pieces that are bigger. Now I am adding 1 cup of roughly chopped spinach or palak. This takes just 2 minutes to cook. Once the spinach is cooked, I am adding a teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. This gives a very good aroma to this stuffing. Now our stuffing for the wraps is ready. Next, for preparing the wraps, I have taken 3 whole eggs. Use a whisk to beat the eggs. Make sure the yolks are mixed well with the egg whites. Next, add 1/4 cup of corn flour. Whisk again. Break the lumps as you mix it. We have a smooth mixture now. Add salt to taste and give it quick mix. Our batter is ready. Let's make the wraps. Take a pan and add oil if you prefer. Then pour the batter and move the pan around to spread it thin. After about 45 seconds, you will see the edges are cooked. Turn it over once the top layer is cooked. As it is thin, it gets cooked very quickly. Our wrap is ready now. Let's take the wrap and fill in with the stuffing we prepared. You can add any sauce of your choice. I like mine with hot sauce. Here we have our delicious and healthy wraps ready. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Also, do remember to turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon.